Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer a bank account. To transfer a bank account with Bank of America, begin by gathering all necessary documents. Ensure you have your identification ready, such as a driver's license or passport. Next, access your online banking account by visiting the Bank of America website or using their mobile app. Log in using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section. Select the account you wish to transfer. Click on the Transfer or Move Money option. Decide whether you want to transfer to another Bank of America account or an external bank account. If transferring to another Bank of America account, enter the recipient's account details and the amount to transfer. For external accounts, you will need the recipient's bank routing number and account number. After entering the information, review the details to ensure everything is correct. When ready, confirm the transfer. You may receive a notification or confirmation email regarding the transfer status. Additionally, if transferring your primary account, consider setting up your direct deposits and automatic payments in the new account. Update your billing information with different service providers to reflect your new account details. Monitor both accounts for the successful completion of the transfer. Make sure all funds have cleared and all scheduled payments are in place. Finally, once everything is verified, you can close your old account if desired. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.